This is Keely with Honda of Keene, and this is the 2019 Honda Ridgeline Sport. The 2019 Honda Ridgeline Sport has some powerful performance specs, like a 280 horsepower, 3.5-liter V6 engine, 262 pound-feet of torque, a 6-speed automatic transmission, and an up to 5,000-pound towing capacity. Here on the exterior, we have multi-reflector halogen headlights with auto on-off. We have smart entry. We have a dual action tailgate with over 63 inches of bed in the back. And the 2019 Honda Ridgeline offers underbed storage that can act as a cooler for tailgating or whatever you have going on. Here on the interior, we have a 200-watt audio system with 7 speakers. We have a 5-inch LCD color display with Bluetooth hands-free link, and we also have that multi-angle rear view camera. The 2019 Honda Ridgeline Sport also comes with some great safety tech, like vehicle stability assist with traction control, brake assist, and so much more. So, if you're thinking about the 2019 Honda Ridgeline, the Sport might be the best trim for you. So come on down for a test drive, 567 Monadnock Highway in Swansea, New Hampshire, or visit us online at hondaofkeene.com. We cannot wait to work with you. Happy car shopping!